Hi friends! Today I'll show you the undone French twist updo that is so on trend now. We'll begin by making a central parting, and guys, my hair is curled, but you can make this hairstyle on straight hair as well too. I'll leave some hair out before brushing the rest back. You can leave as much of your bangs as you want. I decided to add a little more and longer pieces in the front. As you see, using some creamy product, grab all your hair in the back. Make sure to nicely brush it into a low middle ponytail. Twist it up like I'm showing, and then you want to keep repeating twisting up to create this French shape of the bun. First, I'll use some bobby pins to fix in place my twist, and then I'll use some grips too. Grabbing the ends, you want to twist them downwards near to the base we've created already. You want to hold it with one hand, and with another one you want to pull it to make it fuller, and make sure you see it from the front. This way it will look nicer. Then you want to pin it in place the rest, leaving the ends out. I'll use here bobby pins almost. You can use some grips too. And guys, here I used a lot of bobby pins and grips. Trust me, I need less than that, but this way you'll make sure that your hairstyle will stay in place. Use some hairspray and you're basically done. I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, don't forget about like, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Let me know in comments down below what you think about this hairstyle. I love you so much, and see you soon in my next one. Bye!